pain and darkness. Shine your light and make me whole. Where can I go to be consoled and set my heart free? Only in you, only in you can I surrender. Only in you, only in you can I remember who I am, your beloved child. And deep inside, I am only in you. How can I forgive them? How can I forgive myself? Take my pain down off the shelf and let your love in. How can I start over? How can I release the pain? Teach me how to love again. Where do I begin? Only in you, only in you can I surrender. Only in you, only in you can I remember who I am, your beloved child. And deep inside, I am only in you. Where can I escape from your love? You fence me in with your understanding. Even darkness is not dark to you. Night is clear as day, light is on its way when I run to you, to you. How can I accept that